guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Rog here once again, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the most delicious soup, chicken and sweet corn soup, and I'm going to make it in this. Yes, it's a Tefal pressure cooker. They're brilliant. They cook things perfectly, quickly, and they're very economical, healthy too, and good for the environment. For this recipe, we're going to need these few ingredients. One leftover chicken carcass from a previous dinner, and also you could need some of the white meat, just a little bit. Now, we pop this in afterwards when we've made the soup. I like a little bit of garlic powder, gives it an extra taste. And we're going to need some chicken stock, some carrots, one white onion that's been chopped up, some sweet corn, and of course our old favourites we got there. Salt and black pepper. So onto a hob we go with our pressure cooker. Then we can add the stock. Pop that in. Then our chicken carcass. Tuck that in, and of course any little scrappy bits of chicken that have been left over. It's all going to add to the flavour. Skin and bones and everything. Pop in the onion that's been chopped up a bit. Don't have to worry too much about the chopping up. And of course the carrots. Add a bit of flavour and a bit of colour too. Then we can add our garlic powder. I've used about half a teaspoon. You can use whatever you want. I love the stuff. Then our seasoning. Good old sea salt. Grind that in. Then of course we're going to have some black pepper. I love black pepper, don't you? Hefty shot of that. On with the lid. It's always a bit of a job to get it on for some reason. Must be me. Turn the handle round till it clicks shut. Set this to cook chicken. Wrong way. Turn it back again, turn it back again. Bit more. No, you're still the wrong way. All the way round. Till it shows a little picture of a chicken. Like that. Now we're going to be cooking this down for about 15 or 20 minutes. That's all you need, folks, that's all you need. And then you'll end up with a wonderful soup. But of course it's got to be strained. We don't want all those bones and bits and pieces in there. So I'm going to put it through this colander into another pan, a fresh pan. When this is done, we're going to lift it off the table I've got there, put it back. Oh, look at all that steam. Put it back onto the hob, and oh, it's cleared now. What was I saying? Oh yeah. Put it back onto the hob. Add a teaspoon of cornstarch that's been mixed up in some water. And our sweet corn. This is out of a tin, this sweet corn, so it's all ready to eat. Just needs warming through. Same as this chicken really. I've chopped it up into nice convenient little pieces. We'll give it one last stir, warm it back up, and we're good to go. Time to plate up, or should I say bowl up. Now that's looking good. That's smelling good too. Oh guys, if only you could smell this soup. It's amazing. And cheap too. A little bit of greenery on the top. Bit of parsley. Just to make it look fancy. And now for a test. Oh wow. Now that is really delicious. A really satisfying soup. Great for a cold winter's day. Great for any day really. Thanks for watching this latest video of mine. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And I'll see you guys again next time. Bye for now.